So, today is January 3rd. It's not focusing. I'm in the car. I'm actually about to get ready to go to Pilates. I just recently started doing Pilates. Like, I've been doing it for 3 months now. Because I didn't got like kind of really busy, like with everything that I got going on. This is the what is this? I think Makeup Revolution plumping gloss. Now I usually only wear my lip gloss, but you know, I'm trying to get a feel of a plumping gloss that I like to add. Just so when I start trying to formulate my own pumping gloss, I'll know, like, what I want, out of it. But that's what I put on. But I usually wear my own lip gloss. But I'm on my way to my Pilates. The stuff for like my business and stuff hadn't got like really, really busy. And I haven't been in like 2 weeks. So I think today it's definitely gonna hurt. For shit sure, it's gonna hurt. But I mean, I need to go because I'm paying for it. Shit. I got an Oak Cliff Pilates here in Dallas. I really love it. My favorite instructors so far is Zania and Oliver. Them the two instructors I tend to go to. So yeah, that's what we doing. That's what we doing today. Well, that's what we doing right now. I'm trying to think of what else. That I'm still getting the stuff together for my suite and whatnot. So we may end up going to go like pick up some stuff for the suite. But honestly, I don't really have no set plan today. I just, we're winging it. We're gonna find some shit to do. But yeah, I'm like, let me start driving because it's like 30 minutes away from where I'm at currently. But honestly, I think that's it for now. Being that I was gonna take my camera in and record, but being that I haven't went in a couple of weeks, I'm like, I don't know how tight my muscles are, and I don't want to look stupid. So if I don't record, if y'all don't get enough footage of me in Pilates, that's because that shit was hurting. But other than that, I guess y'all will see me when I get to my next destination. So okay, so we're back. I'm at Pilates, but I'm actually early. The class don't start till 1 and it's 11:33. So I guess I could sit here and talk to y'all. I don't really got nothing to say, honestly. I've been getting prepared to go work in a suite, doing makeup, which you are able to book, if you stay in the, Dallas, Fort Worth area. Just getting like the furniture and, painting and stuff like that. So that's honestly what I've been caught up with doing. And then I have some really big stuff that's about to pop off with my business that's actually going to be in different states. I don't want to say nothing yet because I haven't signed a lease. That's all I'm going to say. But I do know for a fact my business will be expanding to a different state. So, that'll be good overall. Just, I'm, based in Dallas, but, being able to get my products, because, you can order them online, but being able to get my products in front of other people on a almost instant basis, it's hard. I'm trying not to, like, tell y'all what's going on without telling y'all what's going on or what I got planned, but, honestly, y'all should be hearing about it within the next month or so. But other than that, that's the only thing that I had going. I'm just trying to, get going with the makeup to, build my clientele up. And it's like I'm the capital investor, and damn near everything that y'all about to see was prepared in 2023 and 2024. Like, when I tell y'all I am popping my shits with my business, like, but I'm trying to see if I'm gonna go to the shop today. I ain't got no clients or nothing, but just to but not today anyways, but I'm just trying to basically to decorate. I got a fucking living room full of furniture, like the salon chair, the cabinet where I'm gonna keep my makeup up, the mirror. Like, the living room is full of the stuff for the suite. So, like, only thing I'm waiting on, I dropped the paint off yesterday, but I was supposed to get it painted this past weekend, because today is Tuesday, I think. Today is Wednesday. I was supposed to get it painted Monday, but I wasn't able to get to the shop. And it was like miscommunication. Like, I didn't realize that she basically was telling me, like, if you don't come today, basically he was trying to paint today. The dude who's supposed to paint my suite, he was supposed to come Monday, but I wasn't able to drop the paint off. And then when I picked up my key yesterday, oh yes, it's not hitting the same because I got the key yesterday, but it's not decorated. So, but I have the key to the suite. But he was supposed to basically come paint Monday, and I wasn't able to drop the paint off. So then when I dropped the paint off yesterday, she was like, girl, he was supposed to come, yesterday, but you couldn't bring the paint. So I'm like, that may push me back a little bit, but I'm honestly not tripping, like, too hard, So, I may get some footage while I'm inside of Pilates, honestly. I want to, but being that I haven't been in 2 weeks, I know my muscles and shit is tight, and I don't want to be looking stupid on camera. But I got a class tomorrow, so it's like if I don't record today, I'm gonna record tomorrow. So it's like if I don't get Pilates today, I get Pilates tomorrow, and this will more than likely be all on the same blog. So you later on in the video, you will see some footage from Pilates. But I think that's about it, honestly, y'all. I think that's it. I think I may, like, get... What was I finna say? I think I may, like, record and do my makeup later, because it's like, I feel like I need more... Not more practice, but I just need to get... Not even familiar, because the products I'm using, I'm familiar with. But just kind of finding my order, because it's like I got an order, but like a more simpler order, as in like I'm using mostly liquid products, but like the liquids, powders. I mean, I got it. I don't know what I'm talking about. I just basically just want to play with the makeup a little bit. But I don't know what y'all probably gonna see next after this, honestly, but because I'm trying to think of what all I gotta do today. There's really nothing. I really don't have to do nothing in reference to the shop today, because I'm trying to see if it's going to get painted, because the paint is already there. And I got furniture, brand new furniture. And I mean, I could take it to the shop and they just put like the, the little plastic wrap on it so don't no paint get on it. But I'm really like, I'm not going to say manic, but like, it's like once I'm like, it's on my mind, I want to do it type shit. And that's how I feel about the shop. But it's like, I don't want to move my furniture in there and then they go and paint. Because I got a little like ottoman like a full body mirror, a tall ass like cabinet. Like I don't want paint on it, pink paint, like my logo pink. But I don't know what the fuck y'all may see today. I'm not bullshit. But y'all go stay tuned in. But damn, I still got like 20 minutes. But I do need to go to the bank. Somebody just texted me. Okay. I think that's it. I do need to go to the bank, but I'm really looking for this Stanley, that red Valentine Stanley. I want that cup so bad, bro. Honestly, I really got some shit that I need to do on my computer. I don't know. We may go to the shop today. We may not. Depending on if they can paint or whatnot. I may have to find somebody to paint. So, So y'all will be seeing me. Y'all making some footage on of Pilates. But that's about it, honestly. As y'all can see, yeah, my body hurting. It's not like an unbearable hurt though. Like it's not like crying, but like I took a class. I took Pilates AF with Zania today. Love her. She's not like, I done went to other Pilates studios where it's like if you ain't got the moves, like they start like trying to treat you different. Like they're very like open and loving here. I go to Zania and Oliver. I kind of like 50-50 depending on, cause the schedules and stuff most of the time they're the same, but like, you know, if somebody go out of town or something like that, it'll be a little different. So yeah, I forgot what this class is called. Booty Blast. That's what the class tomorrow is called. I think it's with Izzy. This is gonna be, I think, my second time with Izzy. I love everybody though, like, but so yeah, that's it. I'm trying to like let my muscles come down because them bitches is on fire. But yeah, I think I just may stop at Starbucks or something. I'm trying to let this lady that's parked behind me get in her car. She just closed the door so I can back out. Cause well, y'all know I drive a Jeep and she kind of close to me and I'm on her hill too, so I needed her to back up so I can like pull out. But I may just go to Starbucks and call it a day. I don't know what y'all may see next, but cause I don't really have like a lot to do type shit. So y'all will be seeing something else. I'm about to, I can back up now. Oh, I don't want to put my car in reverse while I'm right here. I'm finna say this can't be my seat. Cause it's like, okay. Okay. We are now rolling. So, oh, the camera moving. I honestly don't have nothing to do. I'ma text the girl who owned the shop where my suite is to see if the dude gonna come paint. If not, I guess I'm gonna be on the hunt for a painter. But yeah, I'm just driving. I want to listen to music, but you know we can't play music. on YouTube. So y'all probably get some clips of me driving or wherever I end up at. Cause sometimes like shit just pop up on my brain. Like I do need to go to the bank and get another card. But I feel like the card in my car, honestly. And then I said I was gonna go to the car wash, but it's been raining a lot in Dallas. Well, not a lot, but it rained yesterday, and then I think it rained like last week too. And then I need some brakes for my car. I really just need to put my car in the shop, but I can't really be without my car, so it's just like. But I think I'ma just, I don't know, go see if Gio up or sleep. Gio got a photo shoot this week, y'all. It's Friday, and it didn't dawn upon me till like, cause I had to close my books off for Friday, and then I was like, oh shit, that girl photo shoot. So I don't know what I'm gonna do to her hair, and I believe they provide the dress that she gonna wear. So literally all I gotta do is like, you know, her hair. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on her, not like foundation, but like, you know, blush, a little lip gloss. I don't know, we're gonna see. But that's something that, but it's like, again, I don't really have to do nothing for that. I just have to make sure, you know, her hair done. But I'm pretty sure y'all will be seeing that in this clip as well. But honestly, I think that's it for now anyways. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what I'm finna do, where I'm finna go. And I think that's it, y'all. I'm about to get on the freeway, so I will talk to y'all. Okay, y'all. So I went to Pilates earlier, and what time is it? 4:51, January 4th, and I'm gonna try and put this chair together for my suite. Let me see. So I think I'm gonna just let y'all watch me do it. Hopefully I can get it together. Okay, y'all, so I don't know how I got, I'm not sick, but I'm definitely hoarse. But say hi, Gigi.
Hi.
Gio has a photo shoot at 1:30.
No,
It's like 10:30 right now. So because I was being so unprepared, I did not do her hair or anything. So we're going in Target to get some stuff to do her hair and stuff with. Okay, I'm back. So after the photo shoot, Gigi is going with my mom, and I did not efficiently pack, so I'm also looking for stuff. like clothes and stuff. I wanted to get her like a little suitcase.
That one.
Which one?
I want Ariel.
You want Ariel?
Yeah. Thank you.
Look, y'all. She put it in a basket on her own. I wanted to get, I seen at another Target they had,
Mommy need the toy.
girl, but I seen at another Target they had, like the little frozen cases. That's really what I wanted, but I mean, I'll get the backpack for now. And then I told her she can get a toy. So, we,
Mom, I want to wear a figure. I want this Cinderella.
you want this Cinderella?
Yeah. Please.
You don't want a toy, you want a dress?
I want Cinderella. I want to take this Cinderella. Please, Mommy. Don't, you got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Girl, you ain't getting nothing else.
I
Oh, look at this one.
No.
She said no. Do you want this one?
No.
No. I really want her to wear Tiana, but she's not really interested. I'm pretty sure they sold out. I want to look for the Stanley Cups too.
My favorite.
Because when I drop her off for my mama, she just be like, well, you didn't leave this and you didn't leave that. So, this is why. But they got out shorts like it's hot outside. I don't know what to get you, Tree. Okay, I'm back. So, after the photo shoot, Gigi is going with my mom. And I did not efficiently pack. So, I'm also looking for stuff. Okay, so I'm telling y'all this stuff, it's a detangler. When I tell you, as soon as you put this in your hair, it detangles it. This is literally all I use on Gigi's hair. I needed that. I forgot what else I need. Some jam or some gel in this instance. Ew. Stay. Excuse me. No. Cool. They got some rubber bands, but I'm like, let's see if these work. I also, this is what happened when you come to Target for your, oops, I'm hitting shit. Gigi.
Mommy.
I think that's all they got. I know they got jam. I feel like everybody sell jam.
Mommy.
Yes, ma'am.
We need toy Cinderella. Toy sheep.
You want to go get toys? Okay, thanks. Gigi. Okay, they ain't got jam. They don't even really got gel. Okay, we gonna try this. Because this is the only thing I got to choose from. Because I have to do her hair in the car. You say it's like a curling gel. We gonna see. I don't know what else I need. I don't know what else. 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 Okay. I really like this one, but she don't like it. Look. Okay. Which one?
Snowman.
Barbie?
Yeah. No.
No.
I want snowman.
Where's the snowman? You want this?
No. Snowman.
You want this?
I want Elsa.
I was just on Elsa.
No. I want Elsa.
Y'all, if we being completely honest, I really don't want her to get that. Cause she got too much Elsa shit.
I wanted to Elsa.
I'm getting this. Because she already got like 3 Elsa things. Like dresses. And it got all the princesses on it. She'll be alright. Okay, so desperate calls for desperate measures. We didn't get in the house till like 3 in the morning yesterday. Well, Gio was asleep. I was out. Not out like doing shit. Girl, I left to get some food, basically. But I didn't do her hair, and I had a bunch of shit to do today. So we.
No.
This was literally the only way that she was gonna get her hair done. Is if I did the shit in the car.
Mommy.
Yes. And she don't want me to do it. Desperate times call for desperate measures, because this is not my ideal situation. It's just, we was coming from where she taking her. I don't even feel like fighting with this shit. She going to my mom's afterwards, and then my mama will be wanting her hair done because they be doing shit. I mean, her hair always done, but
I want black.
my mama be requesting fresh styles. And so we about, and we got to get there 10 minutes early. So I just stopped in the middle point. We in Richardson in the Target parking lot. And then,
Mommy.
fuck, I cannot get this shit open. These fucking rubber bands. Okay. But I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. We gonna pray these rubber. This shit kind of like slime almost. Yeah, I got on nails. I can still do hair. It's just, not as simple. But I'm just like, come on, let's walk. So pretty.
Go. Here.
Hi.
Welcome.
Hi.
Yeah.
Which dress are you gonna do?
I choose blue, Dad.
That's purple.
Purple? I want purple this one.
I'm gonna get this book for her. This is so cute.
Mommy.
Oh, look at that.
I want blue this one.
You want purple?
Yeah.
I thought you wanted blue.
No, we need to go orange. No.
Look at this one.
What is there to do with this? Let's go. Mommy, where's my one? Mommy. Smell it.
Oh my God.
Always smell.
Oh my God. Hello? Hello?
Mommy,
No, it's the other side. They not just talking.
No, it's at the bottom.
It's the other side.
Oh, fuck.
It's at the bottom. You do
Wait, no, is it staples over there?
Yeah,
Oh, Lil J.
Crazy cavity and pieces. Oh, it's not this. I was a cavity teacher. The camera thinks so.
Oh, she moved my setup.
She moved the phone in.
Literally.
it's not about you no more.
Ta-da!
Look, Gio, it's popping. Oh, that's phone popping. Look. GG.
My machine?
Talk about a machine.
What?
It's mommy's machine.
That's not yours. That's not the machine.
Mommy's machine.
That's not yours.
It is.
You got your mommy's machine and caramel.
Good.
Okay. Open the can of puppy and a chronicle. Let me get a machine. And the cap and some phone. And this is right
We want people, we want
with
what?
mommy's.
Hey YouTube, I'm still hoarse as fuck. Today is January 6th. I got the whitening strips on my teeth, so if that look weird, that's why. My lips is dry because it's cold as fuck outside. But so this is literally the only part I'm missing is the chair, because the chair won't fit in the car. But I'm going to paint the suite today, so that's what y'all will be seeing probably after that. And I'm not probably gonna set up because it's gonna be wet paint, but I'm gonna leave this stuff there in the room. So, and that's the part that I gotta put together. But I might honestly, I'm really just gonna go sit that bitch in there. It's just this stuff was taking too much space. So, and you know, I'm paying rent and I hadn't moved in yet. So, yeah. So that's what we're doing today. I may go out or something later. I mean, y'all will see. But, yeah. Y'all may get some clips of me driving.
Guess who?